temperature of weather is soaring high, so as the election temperature. It's soaring high, and right now we are in Kolkata in the Heritage Academy. We'll try to find out, we'll talk to the young voters, the first time voters, who are very important this time. Huge number of first time voters are there. And what do they feel of election? The 7 phases of election in Bengal, whom they will vote, that definitely they will not say, but on what issue they will vote, that's very important. So let us ask them that why they will vote and what do they want from the new government. So you will vote?
Yes, I will vote.
What type of government you want, and what, as a student, you're a first time voter.
Yes.
So what, as a student, what do you want from the government?
I want, first of all, I want the issue of employability to be accepted or to be issued, first of all. And electricity has been a huge issue in the current times. So I want these two issues.
Electricity?
Yes, electricity.
Okay.
There has been power cuts in my locality at least. So I want these issues to be addressed primarily. Yes, that's all.
Employment and electricity. What else? What do you think? Why will you vote?
I am not going to vote
Why?
because I do feel that there are politicians out there who put out commitments just before the vote, and it just continues for the next 1 year, and then everything is same.
But you should vote. One of them you have to choose. Well, let me tell you, this is also one campaign. Come out and vote for one. Choose one. You have to choose one, and then you have to vote. So you know that's very important. No.
Yeah, I do feel then I can bring a change.
Yeah. Ekdam, just go vote. You.
I think first time voters should vote because it's a right that has been given to us, and since every vote gets counts, so मुझे लगता है कि मेरी एक vote से I can bring a change in this country or this community that can influence the others. So I think voting is very important.
Absolutely. Every vote matters. Her vote एक change ला सकता है. That she believes. And definitely on that ground, she is going to vote. We'll talk to more people. What do you want from the government and how the central government should work?
আনএমপ্লয়মেন্ট যেটা আছে সেটা আমাদের এখন সোসাইটিতে বিগ ইস্যু আর এডুকেশন
You can
সিস্টেম
speak in Hindi also.
ওকে অ্যান্ড এডুকেশন সিস্টেম দে শুড ওয়ার্ক অন দ্যাট আই থিঙ্ক সো
So unemployment, naukri nahi hai. No, unemployment is an issue where a lot of people are, lot of students are saying that, and
corruption as well.
corruption. You think in Bengal corruption is
Yes,
an
yes,
issue?
yes.
Why?
Because there is, if we take Sandesh Khali and then the cow, that Anubrato Mandal, that case. So it is a big issue that they
So they
need
believe
to look
that
after.
there is this Sandesh Khali is an issue. This cut money is, she wanted to say cut money, right?
Yes.
Cut money is an issue. So corruption is an issue in Bengal, and they are going to vote for that. We'll talk to some more people. You tell me, you will vote?
Yeah, I'll vote.
So what type of government? What do you want from your generation? What the government should give?
I would want the government to decrease the poverty, increase employment rates, and also work on the economic stability of the country.
Economic stability. And Bengal specifically?
Maybe the corruption should end, and they should work more on the employment rates.
Employment rates. Employment is one thing which is like almost everybody is saying, and corruption definitely is an issue. What do you think? You will vote?
Yes, I will vote.
On what do you want from the government?
To end the corruption, and the desirable people should get the chance.
Do you think right now right people are not getting? Why do you think so?
Because as we see, like the teachers who are giving exam, who are qualified are not getting the chance. So I think people who deserve to be one should get the chance.
So that is right. That is an important issue in Bengal anyways, like corruption and the teacher recruitment scam. That is also coming into the students, and students are also speaking on that. Would like to talk to some more students. So let me sit here and talk. So tell me, you all will vote?
Yes.
Which side the hawa is more?
I think BJP, because of the corruption and all the job related problems that are happening in Bengal right now. I think people are more getting inclined to that side.
So whom do you want as Prime Minister?
Uh, I don't know, but we want the employment to increase,
Okay.
and most especially in West Bengal there is no job, so we want the facilities of नौकरी चाहिए.
And if whom do you want to see as prime minister? Any name in all over India?
For I think for 5 to 6 years, it will be better if we see Modi ji.
You?
I don't know, but whoever wins, I want them to make a proper India, a nice and safe India for everyone.
Safe India. What do you think? What do you want? There's a lot of emphasis given on gaming, AI, all these things. So, what do you want? Do you think that all the focus should be given on all these things?
Yes.
Yes.
You're too shy to answer. Loudly, loudly. Yes. So, what do you think that who should you should cast vote for what?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट इस जनरेशन में मुझे किसी को भी ठीक नहीं लग रहा है कैंडिडेट मेरे ओपिनियन से लेकिन whoever I want whoever becomes the prime minister or the governor I want them to stop the at least increase the employment opportunities क्योंकि हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स हैं हम लोग को मिल ही नहीं रहा है इतना हम लोग का हमसे इतना करप्शन है इतना है कि हम लोग को चांस ज़्यादा नहीं मिल रहा है
Corruption and job. We see, that's one important, very important point which they are raising. What do you have to say? What do you need from the new government?
Again, I am not taking any kind of sides because I don't like any kind of existing government right now. But whoever wins, I think I want a safe place for women for the first thing. It's very needed because till date, no matter how much, मतलब जितना भी अच्छा हो रहा है, लेकिन औरतों के लिए सुरक्षित नहीं है.
Do you think Sandesh Khali is an issue here in Bengal?
Definitely it is, and I think one of the first points should be that it should be a safe place for women, and next should be that to understand youth we need that kind of leaders as well who will understand youth. अभी का ऐसा हो गया है कि मतलब they are all like stereotypes and they want to maintain that.
You want a young leader?
Yes, a young leader maybe will understand youth in a better way.
Somebody who understands youth. At the same time, Sandesh Khali is definitely an issue. That's what this student said. You tell me, vote dena hoga. What is the issue?
The issues are obviously unemployment and the harassment of movement. People are not getting the enough rights they deserve. So any government that brings on these rights and make space for employment, so I think that government will be desirable.
You?
Like I have a kind of like a bit controversial take on it because like I personally don't kind of relate to politics because I believe that I don't want to name someone, like those who have political leaders now should kind of change because as someone said those leaders should relate to youth. Okay, at this point
You want a young leader?
yeah because current leaders they have kind of old ideology of politics. Okay, so
All the political parties, please push your young leaders. The youths, they want young leaders.
yeah, those who can relate to this more generation now. Yeah.
So Generation X, why they need new leaders and young leaders. You tell me, you will vote?
Yes, definitely.
क्या चाहिए votes?
I want someone who actually India is a democratic and a secular country, so somewhere down the line we are losing that meaning of these two words. So I want someone who actually establishes these two meanings and establishes India as a secular and democratic country where people are free to speak.
Okay. So democracy, secular, all these things should be maintained. That's what she believes. You tell me. I'll not ask you whom will you vote, why will you vote, and what do you require?
Of course, we need to vote because our voice will give a change to this country, to this, the state we are living in. So, of course, yeah. And by my vote, I can change a lot of things. For example, corruption. And also we can say about the changes for employment and education. Of course, in education, Bengal is a little bit lower.
What does this mean?
It's lacking behind.
Okay. So, we will conclude, but there's one person I think we have not spoken to. You tell me, what will you vote for?
एजुकेशन सिस्टम चेंज करना है, मतलब एजुकेशन सिस्टम डे बाय डे डिक्रीज होती जा रही है, तो वो सबसे पहले चेंज करना है. और ऑब्वियसली करप्शन वो मतलब ईयर बाय ईयर मतलब चलती जा रही है, तो वो मतलब बंद करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड और ये जो बोला था कि यंग लीडर्स जो हमारी बात को समझेगा, वो भी लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
So overall, if we say that it is number one, employment. The youth of today, they want employment from the leaders, from the government, number one. Number two, corruption is a huge issue, and corruption should fall. Otherwise, their chances of getting good employment is not coming. That's an issue. Sandesh Khali, definitely an issue. They are saying that women's protection is important, and overall, youth leaders are required. So all political parties, they have given their message. They will be voting, and one vote matters. That's also the message from the youths out here. This is Kamalika Sengupta with Anshuman Roy reporting for CNN News 18 from Kolkata.